see these tanks? Yeah. They were like $10,000. They could fit in the back of the car. So I discovered this place recently. You know, I saw that entry. I didn't think anything of it. And then I come in here. I say, well, what is this? So we're gonna take this end. It's circular. It's one entrance. And I'm saying to myself, it blew my mind. Come here, I said to myself, someone want to live. You know, see how the air fresh. If you talk about crime in Jamaica, with the people that they are robbed the house there right now. You know? Can't say it, but you know what I mean. But you see what I say, it's like you set up your security system, you do what you need to do, and there's a place I didn't get into it yet. It's a very exclusive community. You can't really get in. And I don't remember your name, but tell you something. I want to get in for city house them in there. I have a friend who him say him work there. So I'm going to put on a t-shirt and I work with them. And just Moorlands, I think it's called Moorlands.
Moorlands, okay. Moorlands.
Yeah man, so I want to see the house them way in there. I'm going to teeth out some food out of people's fridge. If you don't buy too much saltfish meat, me broken the house and just even. No, I'm not gonna left it, man. The fans them know to run the talk foolishness. That's why they watch the show. Hey, if you don't buy too much saltfish, me I broken down the house and thief piece of the saltfish.
I thought you were more a plantain thief than a saltfish thief. You know, say any which part plantain there after that. What if a plantain there, Manchester?
Yeah, man.
That's why you love it down here?
Yes. We can grow it and planting on my thing, you know. Keeps me strong. So now, if
so it's not, you don't go right around, it's a semicircle.
That one right there was just for that house.
All of that?
Well, I'm gonna tell you, living out a big life now. And the good thing about this place, even when you rent an apartment around here, you look at these homes, and you say to yourself, oh Lord, somebody did bank their money and invest in their stocks. Or sold some rocks. Why, Mrs. Randy up on it? The reason why people like my show is the buffoonery. People don't want nothing serious in their life now, no, just. But that stone design there, beautiful. So I came up here and I'm now saying to myself, I saw the life. I saw the people I live in Jamaica. And the flowers. Well, look at it. You feel like you're in Kingston up in the mountains.
Yeah.
But this different from Kingston. In a hut. You see what I'm saying? The difference between this and Kingston? In a hut.
No.
You understand? So we take this way. Oh, we had to come back to that one. But look at this. So that's an apartment. So imagine living in this apartment. You're in the States and you want to rent something. And you rent here. The view of the yams are amazing. And, alright, now you feel like you're living in someplace in West Palm, right? Or you're living in Florida.
Florida, yes.
Yes, right? So you can see that. Alright, so the name of the place is Clifton Manor Apartments. More often know how much we rent an apartment in Nassau. It's probably around $800 to $1,200 for 2 bedrooms per month. You know what I'm saying? It's expensive, it's not cheap because they have a little swing song and
beautiful, yes.
For the picnic them.
Yes.
So it's a gated rental. So when you
Yes.
talk about Jamaica, oh Lord, me can't live at Jamaica. Get your money up and shut up. Alright, that's what I say. This show is brought to you by Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth.
The
The view. Look at that. Alright, so Vel, you can't say you know come on Mandeville and you know.
The view.
You see something?
Coming to you.
You see something, right? Me not let you down.
No, you did not.
Good. 2 buckle of wine me have in there. Me can't let you down for 2 buckle of wine. Alright. unfinished house. Hopefully then we sell it or buy it. So this Clifton place literally blew my mind. And there are other places in Jamaica that are beautiful, in Mandeville, and I'm discovering them as I go along.
This actually reminds me of Ocean Ridge in St. Anne.
Ocean Ridge in St. Anne?
It should say it's in St. Mary.
St. Mary.
Yeah.
Because I know St. Mary was a Tower Isles or a Tower, what's it called?
Tower Isles, and then you have Ocean Ridge.
So Tower Isles is pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, take a look at this home. All I want, you know. I don't want two wives, you know, just one more want, you know. That's all I want in my life, you know, man. I not ever ask for two, you know. I just want. Look there. Yeah. Look there. Now tell me how the mistress house is. It's rotten. Somebody has said rocks. Crack rocks. I'm just kidding. Alright, so running on the manners. Yes, people. Never. Yes, in Clifton. Maybe it's called Clifton Heights. Look at this, Val. A collage. Or you can say a montage or collage.
Montage.
A montage of colorful houses. Watch your skirts and blouses. A montage of colorful houses. Veleta, see your yard there. Go play the lotto, girl. See there? So I'm jump out of face going thief your color. Mom, you have any color, okay, so this is
mentally ill.
yeah, this is for the elders. Yeah, so that's some of the old people. That's one of every time. So sorry, my kind of thing. What's up, music color? Yeah. Little domestic violence going on back there. The wife has his shirt in her hands. In the back of the house here.
Stop somewhere, that's all.
You want we forgot stop on part people?
You'll be surprised.
When them say teeth, when teeth and tongue are door?
No, I'm just saying though, it's curfew now, everybody high rate, right?
So what you say? We must go in at the people in the yard and
We
tell
not
them.
saying no, we just at least them know that somebody will watch them so them to stop it. If you can't stop it.
No, sir. One thing me learn, you know, is when man and woman
No, but suppose them somebody get killed. And you could have stopped it. You could have saved a life.
Because
aren't you a motivational speaker?
you
You can do motivational speech.
You're right.
Come on.
You have a point. Maybe Randy could save the
Yeah,
day, but
yes.
but let me look on the yellow house here first.
You see it. Then now we read about it and we could have stopped it.
All right, I'm going to intervene because you told me to. Hello, Mama, you all right?
Hello.
Look how the people that want to live home here, so let me tell you something, Phil. Sometimes you go try and stop things, you know, and man go shoot, you know. And they're going to say, hey, idiot
Yeah,
boy.
but what if you stop it and it works?
Philita, if every time people having a contention, you go run in the middle, you know.
But then every time I the first message this one.
you like drama too
No,
much.
it's
You
not
like
drama, I'm just saying.
Oh, it's a nice doing it. I host me come and feel watching and we just peek and say,
Yeah, and then you know what?
Alright, we're going to intervene.
Have you ever seen that program on the TV? What would you do?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a case where you don't just walk and watch the people kill each other.
They not kill each other, just that the woman
You
hold the
don't
man
know-
t-shirt.
You know what I'm saying? You don't know why
Oh,
Shepherd wore his t-shirt. You don't know why.
You put me in a bad position.
see a little child at the bottom of between the two of them. That's alright.
Peace and love. I'm going to scream peace and love. Peace and love. I'm going to just sing a song. Peace and love we want. And my brothers and sisters. Corona, it's rough right now. Peace and love. Right? Just tell you I said.
Stop the party.
I'm going to just ask them if they have no ice water. I'm going to try to play it off, right?
Yeah.
Alright? So we'll stop the camera right now. We get shot, people, I will let her fall. Alright, people, so Clifton closed. What do you think about this one? It was good, right? Yeah, the big house.
People are tearing people here. All the big house, you have to have some fear. See the people, I'm just fighting over
there. I mean, it just says so.
The children playing over there.
Yes, look for the apartment, man. Them nice. Them nice.
Oh my.
Oh wow, Clifton. Whoa.
Oh my.
Yes, man. Look for them flowers there.
Everybody living high.
Wow. This is Mandeville. Yeah, I like your tours. You get me in that trouble, go fight, go in a people yard about me and go part fight. Then dog no stop bite. Boy, you said, oh Randy, will I tie to the fence? And you get man in that trouble.
And yesterday we see one car crash back on Marsh. My God.
Gosh. Like, whoa. Is a house that or an apartment? A most apartment.
A big apartment.
It's an apartment. So a lot of these are apartment, guys. So this is what Mandeville looks like on some ends. So want to continue to live your good life wherever you are. But we just tell you, say, whatever you are, there actually is a star, right?
Yes.
So that is the perspective on life. Wherever you are, there's a star.
Yes.
And that star might just be you.
Exactly.
Alright, so do whatever you have to do and shine. There's a YouTube channel called Jamaica Shine. A friend of mine.
Yes.
Yes, she just started it.
Oh,
She has a
beautiful.
nice voice. Her name is Aliyah. She's a big supporter of this program.
Yes.
So I sat down with her and we created, and Aliyah speaks like this. Oh dear, so now we're gonna take you into the night. That's what she's talking about. So we created.
Well, her voice is soothing.
So her voice is just calm and nice.
Yes.
So you guys check out on YouTube Jamaica Shine. And I want it to be a big channel where even women have discussion and stuff. So I'm gonna teach her how to do the thing. So I want you guys to get our subscription up to 1,000. Hi, it's Aliyah. Look at me. This is Jamaica Shine. Shine.
And her voice is refined.
Her voice is like that. She's like,
Her voice is like fine wine.
fine wine. We want everybody to shine and make sure you're okay. And everything you do is going to be a brighter day. I saw she talking.
Shine like Genie Floor Polish.
Hey,
Coconut brush.
me say the Benz and the beam in Jamaica. Oh, a land of food and water. Hanging out with Veleta. Me say we're going to have some parrot and the wine is Puro. When him?
Lamothe Poro.
Lamothe Puro. Cheap bakla wine, but with the parrot and the sprat and the bummy. So how do you make your bummy? You soak it in what kind of milk? Or you fry it?
I actually soak mine in sugar water.
Sugar and water?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm not a bummy lover really. I actually prefer my bummy steam.
Okay. And how do you steam it?
Steam it with the fish.
Oh, you just put it in the fish? So maybe you can steam half of this and we'll fry half. Thank you again for being on the show. I know enough people, private. My friends them private enough people. My friends them private, my friends them are big people, so Big people don't like for them business out the road.
It's just a judging. And sometimes when you video it's just being spontaneous. And then, you know, being spontaneous don't mean that you need to be disrespectful by anybody. Right? Because you're not going to be looking up to par
every
all
time.
The time.
Yeah.
You understand? This is real life.
This is real.
Yeah.
But when I know sometimes I won't even know.
When I know that I'm not in your eye, but you're not telling no lie. You know?
So now we're gonna do one more, and then you get the Sunday tour. Then we're gonna eat ice cream.
Remember, you have an ice cream in there,
So we have to move fast. Land Rover, watch yourself. Don't worry, Village. I'm a fan. Them gonna buy me a new Jeep. Them nice, right? Look at that one. Living that Jamaica good life. I'm looking for a beautiful good wife, taking me home. Yeah. Alright. This is Randy Radio. I just love the nice drive in Jamaica. And I hope this program bring you peace and tranquility. I know eating a chicken and call me and say, Randy, you have money for lunch? And I will say, no. I need to buy some chicken, you see me, rice and peas and thing, and some rum,
you need to live a good life.
Appleton Estate, some cigar. When I reach Jamaica, make sure someone link me. Come enjoy the beautiful Jamaica Good Life, and that is my job. We say it's not Good Life. Big up Hot Feet in a sea view. Big up the sea view massive them. I don't left for no out, I don't left for no out. Wait till me get some gas. I come check on now. Nah, left for no out sea view. You see, big up man called Kino, do the big thing. You know me I say. And big up Michelle and Patrick. Nah, left for no out, you know. And all the people in the past, sometimes them say if you diss me, I go miss me. The girls them will love me, I go kiss me. I run the original, I know that. Me originate the whole things.
Gifted though, my friend.
I'm gifted, man. I play with it, you know. I play with the thing, you know. You know what I said? You know, girls have to wear my ring, you know. Sure. Like them fat, I'm like them slim, you know. You know. So now, you know what I said to you, brother. The life is a life and it's beautiful. So you must know, say, what you do right now in your life. Make sure you do it right. That's a bush man talk, you know. What when you say I know say though, I have to buy a house. I have to buy a house up in Mandeville right now because I watch Jamaica Good Life. And I see that Randy do the thing. And you know what? Randy look like he have more money than I. Randy hang out with pretty woman. He might watercress. I can't even get no water. I cannot even get no watercress. Randy get people. Let me tell you something. You see how rich me is? Watercress for dinner tonight. So you guys don't know what watercress is? Get it together. Google it. Watercress. So I can set you up enough to become a member. VIP member get the watercress location. Watch one of the Valentine water. I eat watercress. Watercress is the best. I'm strong now, I'm feel good. And the sun is shine, I'm gonna give Jah thanks for life. You know what I say? Look here. Look here, sir. Beautiful. And this is Jamaica.
You take it to that cash and you take it to that can.
Take it to that cash and take it to that can. When I hang out with girl, I have to spend my time. You know what I say? I go down at the cheap supermarket and get some wine. Preferably, wait name? Lamouth Poro for Jamaica. Lamouth Parrot. Longmouth Parrot for the people that can't read. You know, so Jamaica really don't take care of people who can't read. We really have to push up.
Disrespectful too.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, most people that cannot read, they did go to school.
Do you think so?
And they went through the system.
You think so?
And the system failed them.
No.
Yes.
Some of the man, them farm and them never touch school. From them little
No,
them
but
drop out
even
of school.
okay, you go to school if it's even for 2 years.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I think that some of the teachers miss the mark where people cannot read, because not only that, you find that a lot of teachers don't let the students do oral reading.
Yeah.
So because they don't do the oral reading, they pass through the system.
Okay.
Yeah. The child that is very quiet, sometimes they overlook them. And they're not wondering, sometimes you're quiet because you don't want to be called upon, because you're embarrassed because you cannot read.
Oh, I see.
And then the ones who always reading and putting up their hands and all of that, you find that those are the ones who always move ahead. But you know what? You have to deal with people on their level of understanding.
True.
And raise their level of consciousness.
True, very
And build them up.
Build people.
Yeah. Because a farmer can be a teacher and a teacher can be a lawyer. We need everybody. Yeah.
Cow, horse and donkey and
We
pig.
need, right.
This is Cedar. Cedar Way, and we take a ride. Check out this place also. It's another very
One thing I must
quick
say though,
and
the
nice
roads in
neighborhood.
Mandeville, when it come off,
In certain places,
yeah,
nice.
most places, they have good road down here.
Yeah, man, say.
And the water, most of the water,
Drainage are good.
The drainage system is good too.
So it was a quick. So now these, buy these houses and fix them up. These places, anytime you see a neighborhood, anything run down, and when you're reaching any place, just ask somebody in the place, why go on, you're in the ice water? First thing you want to ask for ice water, they have to give you. That's a law in Jamaica.
Corona time now, I'm not big nobody.
Corona time, I'm not big no man nothing. I will tell you that. May I wear gloves? You wouldn't bring ice water if you're thirsty. Alright. No, you're messing up. I think this is a dead end. But this, I just want to show in a different neighborhood. You ready for go home now?
Just don't want to ice cream back out.
Okay. We should have eaten at the car. But it is a big container. Dead end wild. But look over there, sir. No. I whisper over there, sir. Boy, may I tell you, sir. Boy, may I tell you. If
Look
me.
at this. Look at the plants.
Yeah.
This is what you call a nice garden.
This a lady make we go thief some flowers. Watch me now. Watch me magic. Hello, ma'am. I say I eat dinner. You know, say me not eat yet.
Is it this now? Is it a
No, there's somebody there. She has beautiful plants.
Yes, absolutely.
Don't go intrude on people.
And then what I like is that they're not pruned. Everything is not pruned, so they're just
Nice people. Jamaica has. Let me tell you something. Jamaica, what do you think? Best place in the world to live, right?
Yeah, because look at the size of this house. Look at this one right here. But people live in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should make her, whoever make them spot very nice and living their best life.
Yes.
Yeah. And that is concrete, and this is.
Yeah, man. See, nice little house.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Then you have something big beside it. Nobody judge people for where they live in Jamaica. One thing, we have to start looking out for the good, what you call it, characteristics of Jamaican. If you're driving your car, you know how much time I drive my car, I move the wrong way.
Yeah, man.
And people say, no, boss, no, turn it back, no, stop.
Yes.
Them care for people's stuff. Them care for Jamaican people. Them care for them things. And they will take your things too, but them care for them things. And another thing, if you're driving, you're broke down, them just come around and try to figure out what the problem is together. You know that? Always help your mechanic stuff. good characteristics of Jamaica. You're always helping old ladies, right? They're always helping older ladies, right? Good characteristics. What's another good characteristic of Jamaicans? Very proud, Lord.
Very proud.
Oh, Lord. And you can't program them.
No, I can't program them. I don't want to be controlled.
Nobody can control them.
Everybody had them own boss.
Everybody had their own boss in Jamaica. Mm-mm. So this was Cedar Grove Housing Scheme. So no. No, we are going to Avondale. Now you see the far sea sign, me capture a film. So now this is Avondale now. And then we're finishing up. See this? Look at this, fella.
Good road again.
Good road, right?
Yeah, look at the foliage.
The foliage, Bill said, on the side of the road. Somebody need to do them gardening. The worst thing I have to live with neighbor when I take care of them place, you know. It really devalue. You know, one thing I don't like though. Let me tell you something. No. Cedar Grove, you miss it. Eh? No, man. Where I look for? Cedar Grove? This is Avondale, you know. Alright, do your thing, brother. Alright, so. Somehow, them need to buy the bike with sound because I don't know where I'm going to go. They're going to dirty, noisy thing there. These are apartments. No, if you live in Brooklyn, I choose Brooklyn or Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Look there. Eh? A nurse, you could, if you work remote, you can rent one of these apartments. Yes, Randy, give us the number. Go get the number. Come get it yourself. You're not even a member of Jamaica Good Life, much less. If you were one of my top members, I would gladly drive and go find out. Randy's he's not refined. He just doesn't care about good people. Why can't he just go get the number for us? I would like to rent that place. Yeah, man, look for the place, man. We want to show you Jamaica Good Life so you can come get it on yourself, right, Phil? Come get it, man. Come to Jamaica, come to Mandeville and drive around, rent a car and drive and go everywhere. Nobody going to do you nothing. Just keep pressing on the gas.
Don't stop.
Don't stop at all. No. See the man drop him container, have him supplies tonight, right? And them container lock there wicked, you know. And them container house there. So no 3,000 for the container. Well, I'm gonna have a welder. You see me? So the big boss there. Yes, sir. So basically, the big man, you know, so the man, them are the big man, but them have big belly, right? Yeah, man, and the man with belly, you know, have money, you know, cause food there, innit? When I'm belly, no food? Yo, Vel, look for them house. Yes, sir? Look for the neighborhood. Like say, them just make it. This is Avondale. I love it. And then you have the woman in the back of our house and the people come up. Hello! And you wave at two people when you talk about good life. Yes, sir. But are them things I really find out? Just wave at me wave at you. Humanity. Love it, man. Cow grazing. Yeah, You see around the talk so how much drink the sorrel be in a boy. Where the keys them? Alright, okay. Avondale Crest. I like about my vaccine. Love a one way, you see. And love a different. Right, yeah. Let's see. So people, I'm glad some like the tour. You know, so I now left the lane down here, so I can't left it the last time. Alright, look on those. Look on the green. Hold on. Look at the neighborhood though. The texture and the character of the neighborhood. Good people. They know each other. Well to do, right? Happy. Lawn care. Relaxation. Come on, man. This is Jamaica Good Life. On a different dimension. Yard space. Yeah, but since nice piece of land, hopefully it will sell. Look at this house. You know, one thing is Sunday, right? And you ask yourself, did we pass any house with big sound system up there?
Yeah, it's very quiet in Mandeville compared to Kingston. We have a problem. We have a noise pollution problem. Okay.
Yeah, but if you notice the places we went to,
Yeah, very quiet.
did you, Sunday, did you hear any massive anchor?
Come in, right there, Pastor.
Yeah, we'll have the blow shovel there outside and when we get it inside. Right. Wow. Look on the mouse here, man. So this is Avondale. Wow. People that must know them yard. So Randy, you catch room with your yard, we say we're going to make a good life. Why? Yeah, man. People that must live well. I could go back away, look hot. You know, say if you live on a little hot, right? And then you just drive around up one big house, it satisfies you. Because life's a perception, just keep it in your mind.
But depending on the person, because maybe them go home miserable.
The woman left you. The woman left you. Just bring it, hey. Poor man, no bring your woman around a man to driving, because she might definitely left you. Oh, look here, me find sitting for who know, and I mash up my car. This is what.
Don't go up here, son.
Me after man, see the fire see a sign there. This is why people no must support the program.
Don't go up there, sir.
Me now go up there, sir. Look what I find for now. Eh? One lucky person today is gonna buy in Avondale. It's already did it.
Quarter acre, eh?
On the final journey. Pick up your phone and call over there. For Sunday. For sale, quarter acre lot. Call 546-472 or 625-1350. Let's see it. It's I'll take a picture, I'll send it to you. It's for sale, quarter acre lot. 456-4720 or 625-1350. This is in Mandeville, not Patrick Avenue. Now the view, it has a nice view. So I guess you're building up to there.
Yeah, nice.
The fence is there, yeah. So, and the surrounding homes are very nice. An apartment. So this is a very nice place. So people, thumbs up the video and like it. Let me help out somebody today. I might buy it myself. Wait till I get home. Check the piggy bank and see what change like.
This is a good lad.
It's a good lad?
Yes.
Miss Bravo, on a better bite. I have the construction people them phone. Just build on one room and no good. This is a lot of safety, right? You feel nice and safe around here, sir? What's the feeling, Bill? What's the spirit you're picking up?
No, this is the most eating I feel since we come.
It seems like there's a lot of apartments around here. So it's a different flavor of people.
The sun.
The sun there. But right in front of it is this place.
Are you gonna go over it?
Still quiet. Yeah, man, apartment buildings. And the apartments are pretty nice. Park up them car. But I think them not allow the loud noise. Because you can't live that close and not make up noise. So that was mission complete, right?
I would say so. Well done.
Thank you. So, when I buy the t-shirt, go to JamaicaGoodLife.com, send gas money over there. All the big man them, I don't know, some of the woman expensive on there. Make sure you're aware that Randy is here. Is what I say. Look on the big house over there so we can buy the quarter acre and build a big house like that. And when I'm done, make some bammy and sprat and invite me over for dinner. You see me? Everybody around here looks like they are a winner. Alright, check it out. Look there, man. This is the place I'm showing you the lot for sale. They might go fall over themselves now. Make sure you get a good lawyer. And if you don't need a good lawyer, let me know. Wow, look at this. Look at it. Yo, man. Apartment building there. This is another apartment. So there's a lot of apartment buildings here. But just to show you that people are building apartment buildings and renting them out and making them money. So they now for work are foreign. So get together with some family member, split everything in half, and draft up your contract and stuff. And build half into an apartment, half in your house. So this is where they have a lot of apartment buildings. I did not know that the apartment buildings in Mandeville look so beautiful. You know what I mean? So then you don't have to live in a big house, just rent an apartment, right? Are you with me? Look at that. Look at this. That's beautiful. Give them. That is just. Why? When I didn't have all the money in my life, I just need a good woman to write it. I never know some of them things that exist. You mean, said 20 years ago, right? And money I run.
Not happen for the time. Because you could have washed it by yourself.
Alright, so we had success. The land is for sale. We found a piece of land for sale. We went the extra mile for you. Palm trees for you. People living nice and lovely. This is Jamaica Good Life. And the piece of land you're going to purchase today, it says for sale on the sign right there, Avondale Heights. If that land might sell for 40,000 US or 50,000 US, you know, Bill. No joke, you know? You see what I'm saying? About 40,000 US for that, you know. And let me tell you something. It's worth every dime of it. Try buy it 10 years from now. Anything you buy now, going double 10 years. Talk about investment. Especially land in Mandeville. Anywhere you see it, buy it. Because as time... Yo! You know who him that a Lance in the Busherman? In the video, so I know where Lance live. So now the adventure. You're not done yet, you know, when you roll with me, you know, but I'm going to take it easy for you today. I'm going to eat lunch. Then roll out again, I do road. Put some music now. Until next time, guys. Later, love you now. Alright, people. I think this is 4 acres, but this is in Patrick. Check it out. It's for sale. Do what you got to do. Enjoy the program and subscribe and share. It's Jamaica Good Life. Nice cloud today. Beautiful piece of land. Remember, it doesn't matter what. 10 years from now, it's going to double in price. And you could do your farming right here later.